Mom, what's wrong? You keep coughing. Let me help you. It just won't get better. Let's head home first. What is this? Fritillaria bulb. It must be quite expensive. It's really good stuff. Fritillaria and loquat jelly, brewed for a whole day, and it only made this little bit. Drink up first. It helps soothe the cough. Tastes good, right? Yes, it does. You should have some too. Yeah, it's good. Drink more, Mom.